Hi to all of you. Hopefully you guys are doing fine. Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to explain a naked chart strategy. What does it mean? It means that you guys don't need any kind of indicator. No any trend indicator, oscillators, volumes, or any other tool. You just need a naked chart and try to understand this. And it's very easy and very simple. You just need to focus on few things to understand, and then you'll be able to make awesome people using this strategy. So without waste of any time, let's get started to the strategy straightforward. So first of all, you have to switch minute 1 or minute 5 time frame. Minute 5, if you want to use, if you have great patience, then minute 5 is very good. But if you want to use minute 1 time frame, you can. There are only few things you have to notice before taking trade. Let me explain you what is actually. Each time market is going down in sell, this is boom index. Each time market is going down, and when you see that type of move, a spike will appear and immediately a sell candle and then spike. Once this happen and after sell and market come back to the same zone again, look here, market started. Let me explain it well. A spike is appeared, a sell candle appeared, and then spike appeared. And after this move, immediately a spike is appeared. When to take a trade? You just need to draw the area where spike appeared, a candle appeared, and again spike appeared. So it means when you see 3 candles at the same time, you need to draw a horizontal line. When price come near to this, open your trade, 4 candle stop loss, and make the money. Let me show you another example. Any index on boom and crash only, remember. This is for boom and crash only. Each time you see three candles, and you took the trade, look here, 4 candle and spiked, and your trade went in profit. Let me show you on crash index. This is crash index, which is 1000. Okay, you have to stop on minute 5, minute 1, and index. Each time you find 3 candles, look here, you find out 3 candles, you enter the trade, and you made the profit. Let me show you another example. This is crash 300. Here is the example. You took the trade, stop loss 4 candles, and here you see your trade went in profit. So this is how actually it works. Hopefully you guys get it, and you guys will make good cash using this strategy. If I have any question, you guys can ask me in the live session, and also in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Support us.